surrounds you, as tall as trees. You file and sway to all the world that you pass through. Now you rule in thunder, and now in perfect silence. As matriarch, a tower of love, a fortress heart protecting. Now at last you're helpless. A thing too fierce is what we are. You live or die at our desire for the whim to which you're shackled. And one by one we'll drive you out of your ancient home, gone forever after. You meet death with tenderness, the bones caress for hours. There is no song that could sing your death, your beauty and your power. Now at last you're helpless. A thing too fierce is what we are. You live or die at our desire for the whim to which you're shackled. And one by one we will drive you out of your ancient home, gone forever after. And I don't think I can